Hey folks, how are you all doing? And I am your host Ayaz from the YouTube channel Mr. Cryptoearn. So faucetpay.io recently introduced new cryptocurrencies such as Polygon Matic and XRP. So there isn't open source or free script available for these cryptocurrency, especially the Faucet in a Hub script. It does not support these two currencies yet. So I have modified the version of Faucet in a box, and I have introduced all the currencies which are available to this date in faucetpay.io. To this date, I think almost 15 cryptocurrencies are available in FaucetPay. So in a sec, I will show you the script. So as you can see, this is our general Faucet in a box user script. But one thing you can notice here is this is Solana. This is for Solana currency, and you can see all the other things as generally you would see in a Faucet in a box script. But this faucet is disabled as I haven't set it up. I haven't given the API key. I haven't set up the captcha and other stuff. So once we go to the admin page, and this is our typical admin page, the faucet in a box admin page. And if we go into services, we can see 3 services, and we are interested right now. So once we click on currencies, you can see all these currencies which you can use right now in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 18 currencies are available right now in this script. This script does have some bugs, but you can see all these currencies are available. So I'll show you the bug, and it's something related to introducing new coins into the script. So for instance, if I click on Matic, I set the currency to Polygon Matic, right? So once I click on save changes, it's going to save it. It's going to change the currency of the faucet into Polygon Matic, right? So once we go to the user page and we refresh this page, you can see that it's converted for Matic coin. But now once we go back down, as you can see, this is selected as Bitcoin. Once you change your crypto faucet settings, you will have to select this again, and then you will have to click on save. There is a bug in which if XRP or Matic coin is selected and you refresh the page, right? So if I click on save changes, it's going to save as Polygon Matic, but it will give you Bitcoin in the drop down menu. Whereas if we, for instance, take Digibyte and we click on save changes, and let's wait for it to load, and you can see the DGB is still showing over here, but that is not the case for Polygon Matic or XRP. The currency like Solana, till Solana, all the currencies are okay, but after that those 2 currencies they have bugs in them. So I hope that you will enjoy this script and you will also use it. I do have it as my what you say, you can say that I have also added a promotion follow on my YouTube channel. So the download link of this script will be provided to you in the description below. When you click on the description, you will be redirected to my blogger page and you will download it from there. Okay, I will have necessary information about installing this script on there. And if you don't know, if you don't want to read the blog, then I'll link to another video in the description which shows how you can install these kind of script. So this was all for today. If you enjoyed this video, then please consider giving this video a like and also consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, it's Allah Hafiz.
Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now.